video. Like for maths, right, you have equations, right? Simple equation, you cannot see it based on and test the world. So what we do is I set the equation as a picture. So you can add or you want to I change it to PDF file. So this is PDF, but it become an ebook. Okay. The disadvantages of having this is I cannot put in videos if I want. You put in PowerPoint. Yeah. After that you convert to video. After that you save page traffic. No, I just website just now convert the. Okay, so let's say you have modulus function. So you say modulus function. Let's say you want the other topic. Just convert. So convenient, all file.